To check if TestNG option is present, right click on the project. There is no option. Again, if you go to the new and other, there is also like we don't have any option to create a TestNG project. So now let's see how we can install the TestNG. I'll go to the TestNG org, and here is the link for the Eclipse marketplace. Click on that. Again, go to the Eclipse marketplace, and now once we open this Eclipse marketplace, we can just drag and drop this TestNG which is present on the this website marketplace Eclipse. We can just drag and drop this install to this area. Okay, so once you drag and drop, it will start the installation. You can see TestNG for Eclipse is started installing, and the TestNG empty is optional. If you don't want, you can uncheck that, or you can keep it is. Then click on confirm. So then click on finish. Click on install anyway. So it will take some time, and once installation done, you need to restart the Eclipse IDE. Now if you right click on your project, you will be able to see the TestNG option. You can convert to TestNG or create TestNG class. And if you go to the file, new, other, here also now you will be able to create a TestNG project. So you can see there is a last option.